So guys, for the first step to fix this problem, you want to head over to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++. Now once you're on this, we're going to scroll down and then you want to find out which architecture you have. So you want to head over to search and then type in system information, click on it. Now once you're on this, next to system type, it's going to say either x64 or x32. Now we're going to close this out. If you have x64, you want to download the x64 architecture one right here. If you have x32, you want to download the x86 architecture. So now we're just going to download this. So now once we've downloaded this, we're just going to click on it. Now we're going to install it. Click on I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. Now click on close. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and then type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Now once the scan has been completed, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.